friends, welcome back to my channel English with Kalpana. How are you? I hope you will be good. My name is Kalpana Gangwar and I am going to talk about how to think in English. What should we do to think in English? So please watch this video till the end. I make sure this video would be helpful. And friends, if you like my effort, if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Friends, I need your help and support to grow my confidence, to grow my channel. So please like, subscribe and share. Without further ado, let's get started. Now I'm going to talk about how to think in English. We are learners. We are learners, and whenever we think, in which language do you think? Like Punjabi, Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati, whatever your mother tongue. We always think in our mother tongue. So if we want to learn English, it's not right. I'm not saying that forget your mother tongue. Everyone should respect their mother tongue, and I also love and respect my mother tongue. But I'm saying that just because if we want to learn English, we have to think in English. So we need to start thinking in English. We need to start thinking, to start practicing in English. So when we comes to speak in English, we have to face problem. When we come to speak in English, we think in our mother tongue, and after that we make sentences in English. So this process will takes lots of time. And second problem is that when we want to speak and we think in our mother tongue, then we forget many things: how to make sentences, what words we can use. We forgot everything. We forget half of things which we want to share another person. So that's the reason. So that's why I'm saying that if you want to learn English, then you have to think in English. So now there are some steps. If we follow these steps, then we will be able to think in English. So now I'm going to talk about some steps. Make sentences. Make sentences in your mind. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are listening, whatever you are watching, always think in English. Try to think in English. Try to make sentence in English. Yes, you train your mind to think in English, your fluency will not develop. So it is a process. It is a process. You have to train your mind such a way that slowly your mind will be forced to think in English. So this is a very necessary to learn this language. So, and first and most important step is that make sentences in your mind. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are watching and listening, you always try to make sentence in English. Don't try to make sentence in your mother tongue, after that in English. Try to make sentences in English, whatever you are doing. Suppose that if you are in the park, then you can observe things and you can try to make sentences. There is a very beautiful fountain in the middle of the park. Some children are swinging on the swings. Some children are sliding on slides. And an old couple is sitting there. So you can make lots of sentences in English in this way. And this is very important to learn English. And friends, second step is that practice conversation. If you want to speak in English in front of anyone, if you want to conversation with anyone, with someone, then you need to prepare yourself, and prepare yourself what type of question can be asked. So prepare yourself first, then you try to speak with someone. So, and third step is that revise your whole day. When you revise your whole day, when you go to the bed, then you revise your whole day and think in English. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are listening and watching, you can revise your whole day. And if you forget this thing, then you can write this. When your whole day, you can write about your whole day in a notebook. That's the way to think in English and to learn English. And if you have to face problem to make sentences, then you can help. You can take help with Google. So it is very helpful to make sentences, and if you are get stuck while making sentences. So that's my opinion, and thanks for watching.